To reconstruct the educational atmosphere at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, Richard Tokbi, EM Education, called for a joint discussion with KSA, KSU and various students and social organizations of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. It is notable that most of the lower primary schools under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council are functioning without the presence of appointed teachers from KAAC. They employ underqualified youths of the local areas with low education knowledge to teach the children. This had consequently provided a huge impact in sustaining quality education within the district. Taking this matter into hands, the newly inducted cabinet of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Richard Tokbi, executive member for education, conducted a joint meeting with the leaders of KSA, KSU and various students and social organizations of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong under the supervision of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on 22nd July at Hotel Hambi, Casa Stadium, Diphu. The meeting was discussed sharply to focus on grassroots level education systems, followed by high school level to UG and PG levels at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. Richard Tokbi, EM Education, suggested KSU, KSA and various students' organizations to prepare and initiate school inspections from the following month at all the LP schools to ensure proper function of the schools.
Magalima hala son tak taksi itung non along tina school LP school ano parents teachers student so tire puisi pen tiket on deki apa jate je anu tin tame responsible enang popo pini lada kese pen chelo alam tin tame Ninjiring kilo, nin tuntame, nan tunonggulo sa apel. Cerah tuntu, mama tak itu ini. Non given sih, bos terkira. Education, reformation apa, movement apa itu kelans. Atau anu, arong arong sami. Pacurpa, betul. Mereka yang pada turpa asal dasar education itu kami keturpa tinggi apa tinggi apa tinggi asal tunggu ibon bukusi itu pilih juga.
Samson Teron said, to ensure better educational atmosphere at Karbi Anglong, we all would work together as a team irrespective of the background we belongs to.
Si pinida kacing vai pon bangke lahelo kadong we house pen chikroi sarlo je Karbi Anglong long banon ini tunggu tek long bangke education a scenario bang mewe posi education bang koson se frank ke pa mesen ji mala sopu thak por anutin samedak lam the ji pa choilo tapi ni siver lam the kado ko wepen ethevet ki puthe balam the bangke la education long bangke compromise me education bangke pini pen non pen labang soisia a team dak bangke dolo kado we claim rap pet po je education dak pini political issue we ba political alama masya we da la bangke education only one point agenda koson se education ka pe meji ma kaso putha compromise longli puse chingwaisi pin dak bangke isia mai do ponlo.
Hang Sing Timong expressed his aspirations over the mutual motive of the various independent students' organizations at the meeting as a sign of unity. No one should compromise when it comes to matters related to education.
Pen isialam kadokawe student organization to non social organization to independent body bonta education along ke itum ci compromise nang ne education alang ke nang la so politics party la so political party puci purang ne education le jong si itum mesen potang te itum along ri kaching thurji fan krapik ji asi education lang itum ci compromise nang ne pot happy pensi pinidak KSA rupli da dolo la pen itum dak KSYC KSU DSU RNSU la pen kaprek engineers community do an itum dak chingrum mesi la so kaching wai pon itum dolo.
Thomson Rongpi applauds the executive member for education for taking one step forward in reconstructing education system in grassroots level, says he is the first EM to direct student organizations for inspection at schools.
Kadowe organization panphalo pini alang la so steps kian la hello ke thenaya kamlo pini la son ke ajak madu ayem tar mathathe sita pini Richard Tokbi ke hai alang li la so sai ke deng bangke lage mi o khangjang lo.
He appeals the citizens of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong to kindly cooperate with them during the process. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.